Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to get money in car parking multiplayer. So first thing first, open App Store and make sure the game is get last update. So just click on update button and update. Then go to game, open game, and now you see money right here. Just click on that, and now you can buy money for the real money. So 500,000 cost $9.99, 1 million cost $17.99, 5 million costs $69.99, and also you can get all cars. So it's cost $99. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.